Hey, it's Katie bringing you today's deal on the Flickering Flame Torchlight with Stand. Now this is a great tabletop light that's going to add a warm ambient glow to anywhere in your house, but it looks great on coffee tables, fireplace mantles, and even in your dining room. Now the best part about this is it does have an LED flickering light, so you never have to worry about any fire hazards. It looks just like a real flame, and it has a really nice brushed copper finish to it, so it adds a really nice antique look. Using it is super simple. All you have to do is open the lid and flip the switch to on whenever you want to use it. Now, you do also have the option of having it on a timer. So it will run for 6 hours on, and then it'll be off for 18 hours. And that way, if you want to put it on your fireplace mantle, if you turn it on at 6 o'clock and place it, then it's going to run for the 6 hours, turn off for 18, and it's going to turn back on at 6 o'clock the next day. This will do this day after day, so you never have to touch it. Now, we have a fantastic deal on these, and they even come with the batteries that you need. Now remember, when you buy more, you save more, and you're gonna wanna grab a ton for all over your house. So head on over to our site and grab yours today.